You, you take the elephant out the fridge and then you put the giraffe in the fridge.
Okay. Eat.
Right? Okay, so all the animals are having a party in the animal kingdom, and
Oh boy.
one animal does not show up. Who is it?
The lion.
Wrong. No, the giraffe. because he's still
Why?
because he's still in the fridge. You did not take him out. Next question. Oh wait. Sally wanted to go to the
One.
animal kingdom and she had to swim through a lot of alligator infested waters. However, she swam through. How did she made it across?
You silly.
This is a normal person.
A girl.
How did she made it